It has been loudly brought to my attention that the dogs got Christmas toys, but the cats didn't. So, here we go. Bonk! 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 Take it back. Here you go, Cranky. Here you go. Oh, let's not be rude. Here you go. Oops, sorry, that one went under. Here. Here's another ornament. Do you want one? Here. You can have that one. There you go. There you go. That's in the tower. Here. Do you want it? There you go. Here, buddy. There you go. Would you like some? I'm not sure who's carrying. It's okay. Okay, restocked. Sure, there's plenty of catnip. Meatloaf, there are about 25 of them on the floor. I know, here, okay, fine. Alright, okay. Is this one good enough? Do you want that one? Very well. What? They're all the same. I mean, they're slightly different. They're different colors. Do you prefer dark red? Alright, we're gonna get some of some kennel cats too, okay? Oh, Magpie, do you need one? Here, Maggie. Get it. Hi, I know you're new, but do you want a catnip toy? We do this around here. Hold on. Here you go. It's an ornament. Oh, it's okay. There we go. It's okay, you're very cute. What do you think? Do you like it? Who else? Bevington definitely needs one. Alright. Hold on, I have to coordinate here. Bevington, do you need a pink one? What do you think? There you go. Get it, lady. Get it, pretty girl. Ooh, there we go, Devin. Get it.